smile meaningful? With what's happening in Iraq, we have to pray. With what's happening in our country, you know what that's all about? You try to smile. Mother Teresa said, peace begins with a smile. Thich Nhat Hanh said, he's a Vietnamese monk promoting smile meditation. Peace will only come till we learn to smile. Hindi nga hulak, smile lang. So, let's all smile. Oh, smile. With your mouth, with your cheeks. And try to look at each other now. Smile lang po, smile lang. This is my campaign, you just have to smile. And give the presence of Christ or God to each other. Just smile. Or Allah. Smile. Smile. Okay. Let's try to be quiet for 5 seconds. And let's just smile as we pray for world peace. Let's try to smile. Smile. Many are committing suicide. September 10 is the World Suicide Day. Oh, smile. Now, put both of your hands together. Just try to smile for 5 seconds as we do this for peace. Smile. Yeah. Now, please remember, the healthy laughter, the therapeutic laughter comes from the belly. So you say, and you change it to 20 seconds of that. You can do many laughter exercises if you want. If you want to take care of your grandkids, you just have to cuddle them and you pretend you're laughing. Or if you're doing the laundry, you're cleaning your car, you're driving and somebody cuts, what will you do? Instead of getting angry, can you all do it? You're driving. Let's try to promote peace. So, let's see. But of course, you don't show it to them. Now, before we go, this is a very Filipino way. This is for celebration. When you hear this, in the north, it means celebration for life, for abundance, and for good health. So what will we do? Kids, let's try to dance the eagle dance. How do we do it? Just do this, like that. You know the eagle? Try to pretend you're an eagle, like that. Okay, can we all stand up? Yes, sir. Alam niyo po, we're so blessed. We have Dr. Benerson here with us. He's a well-known professor from the University of the Philippines. Okay, tayo lang po tayo. And let's try to promote peace by looking at each other. You don't need to laugh, you just have to smile. Oh. Yung mga stress niyo po para mawala, oh. Maraming salamat po and God bless you. God bless the Philippines. Thank you.